Hello everyone, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be testing out some fire stop block. Now this stuff you put in between holes where you need pipes running through in a wall, and it keeps a fire safe barrier. So I've got a couple of these. I got them from a coworker and very generously donated them to the channel. And what we're going to do first thing off is we're going to run a test where we light a piece of magnesium and put it on top of the fire stop brick and see what happens to it. Because there's lots of videos, if you look this stuff up, there's lots of videos how to install it, but there's no videos of actually how it works. That's pretty interesting. Looks like what actually happened is the foam flared up and actually lifted the piece of magnesium off of it. So it's just on a little tower of this burnt foam. Once it cools down a bit, I will get you guys back and show you what the damage is. Alright guys, it's cooled down a bit. So, well, first thing I'd like to note is after you combust magnesium, it does leave some very interesting shapes inside the actual piece. I'm just going to lift this off. And yeah, that looks exactly like what it did. Is this foam melted up, expanded, and burnt. Really hot piece of magnesium did almost no damage to this block. There's barely even an indent here. And there's fiber. Oh, that's a different. Turns out these things are fiber reinforced as well. I didn't know that. There's little fibers right there. So I don't recall reading on MSDS what the fibers are made out of, but the block is basically a that piece of magnesium though. It's quite the weird shape to it. Of course it just crumbles. As soon as you touch it, it just starts flaking off. It's just yeah, so that's a quick little experiment to see how these fire bricks work. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thanks very much for watching. If you guys want to see more stuff with this fire brick, let me know in the comments or leave a like or something.